Unlocking the secrets of the combination wrench. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and uncover the meanings and uses of various terms and phrases. Today, we're exploring an intriguing tool that's essential in many mechanical and DIY tasks, the combination wrench. Whether you're a language learner, a budding mechanic, or just curious about English terminology, this video is for you. Let's get started and unlock the secrets of this handy tool. A combination wrench is a tool that combines two different types of wrenches into one handy piece of equipment. On one end, you'll find an open-end wrench, and on the other, there's a boxed-end or ring-end wrench. This dual functionality makes the combination wrench incredibly versatile, allowing you to work with various sizes and types of bolts and nuts with just one tool. The open-end wrench side of a combination wrench is designed with a U-shaped opening that grips two opposite sides of the bolt or nut. This design allows for quick and easy access to fasteners that are not too tightly secured and can be approached from the side. It's particularly useful in tight spaces where a full turn is not possible. On the flip side, the boxed-end wrench side features a closed loop that encircles the fastener completely. This design provides a better grip and allows for applying more torque without slipping off the fastener or rounding its edges. It's ideal for loosening or tightening bolts and nuts that require more force. The beauty of the combination wrench lies in its versatility. With both an open end and a boxed end, it can tackle a wide range of tasks without the need to switch tools. This makes it a must-have in any toolkit, saving time and effort in mechanical repairs, assembling furniture, bicycle maintenance, and much more. There you have it, the combination wrench, a tool that marries convenience with functionality. We hope this video has shed light on what a combination wrench is and why it's such a valuable addition to any toolbox. Whether you're fixing a bike, assembling a piece of furniture, or just broadening your English vocabulary, knowing about this tool can come in handy. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful videos. Happy learning, and see you next time!